There are 5 major tests that you would need to do before it's too late. This is because majority of people might be having some underlying medical condition, but they themselves might not know. Because you are active, you are going about your work duties, you are fit, and you think that all is well. No, sometimes you might not show any obvious signs and symptoms with regard to certain medical conditions. So in today's video, I will share with you 5 major blood tests that you will need to do before it's too late. If you are new to this channel, my name is Emmanuel, a licensed physician assistant by profession. Number 1 is the kidney function test. Now, the kidney function test is able to assess how well your kidneys function. This is because nowadays there are majority of people having chronic kidney disease and on dialysis. So if you don't want you to end up having this kidney disease, then there is a need for you to do the kidney function test. Number 2 is the liver function test. Now, with liver function test, is able to assess how well your liver is functioning, because the liver is also one crucial organ inside the human body that does enormous work. It's very, very crucial. Then we also have number 3 is lipid profile. Now, lipid profile is able to assess the amount of fat inside you, because lipid profile can be able to let you know your LDL cholesterol, HDL cholesterol, and also triglyceride. If LDL cholesterol, which is the bad cholesterol, is very, very high, it can be harmful to you. Then the 4th one is fasting blood sugar. Now, with fasting blood sugar, it's able to assess the amount of glucose in your blood, and that can make us be able to know whether you are being predisposed to diabetes or not. Another test that is in line with this fasting blood sugar is what we call HbA1c. And this HbA1c is able to assess the amount of glucose inside your blood for 3 months. Yeah, sometimes we're able to do the blood sugar, which is the fasting blood sugar or the random blood sugar, and it might be low. But when we do the HbA1c, it's able to assess the amount of sugar that has gone into your body for an amount of 3 months. Then the 5th test that we need to talk about is full blood count. Now, when we take your blood, it's not just the red thing that you see. No, inside the blood we have the white blood cells, the red blood cells, and the platelets. And all these are very, very crucial. We're able to assess each of them, because there are majority of people that they might be having a form of cancer in their blood or in their body. But it's through this full blood count that we'll be able to know that a certain parameter of your blood is too high. Sometimes people with cancer can have a very low platelet, and it's the platelet that helps with blood clotting. You understand? And sometimes they might even have a very high white blood cells. And all these parameters can be able to identify that something is going on inside you. There are some people that they might be having a very low HB. And if your HB is very, very low, that also gives us clue that something might be going on. Sometimes you might not show any obvious signs and symptoms with regard to certain medical conditions, because there are some conditions that are silent. You understand? There are some medical conditions that they are very, very silent. By the time that you notice their signs and symptoms, they might have caused a serious or negative impact on you. So that's very important that you always consider these blood tests. Once in a year, you can do all these tests. And one lovely thing about these tests is that you can do all of them today, and it's not also costly. It's not also costly like that. So if you find this video helpful, feel free subscribe to this channel for more videos, like this video, and then share this video to many people.